Hi, today we're going to take a look at number 5 in section 4.4. So we are given this logarithm that we need to expand using logarithm rules. So rules for expanding logarithms, we can use the quotient rule, product rule, power rule. So the first one that I see is the quotient rule because we have this division here. So let's use it. And the quotient rule lets us expand this into a subtraction problem. So it'll be log root of x minus log 100,000 y to the fifth. Sorry, that G didn't work. Alright, so now we have these two terms that we want to keep breaking up. So I noticed in the first term, the square root of x, I could make that into an exponent. But in the second term, we have a product rule going on. So let's use the product rule. So we still have log square root of x minus log 100,000 plus log y to the fifth. Okay. So now if we look at our each term here, we have three terms. We want to evaluate where we can to kind of simplify. And the next thing we can evaluate here is this log of 100,000. Well, we know log with nothing written as the base is base 10. Okay, so we are looking at 10 to some power gave us 100,000. And that power would be 5, 10 to the fifth. So our log square root of x minus, now this whole thing is just a 5, plus log y to the fifth. Now we need to use the power rule to get these exponents in front of the logarithms. So we'll use the power rule. Okay, so this is really log x to the 1/2 power minus 5 plus log y to the fifth. So now these powers are going to come out in front. So we'll get 1/2 log x minus 5 plus 5 log y. And when I look at my terms now, I have a logarithm of just one variable. Logarithm of just one variable. It looks like I have it expanded out nicely now. I hope that this helps.